Hello everybody, it's the 23rd of April today, and I'm doing a bit of work on my white poplar group, which is from a group of trees that I collected along the canal out walking with Cooper quite a few years ago now. There is a playlist featuring these trees. It goes all the way back to me actually cutting them out of the turf by the canal with my penknife and bringing them home. So if you're interested, you could find that linked in the description and in the end screen. And for now, what I plan to be doing is just giving this a bit of a trim. Things are starting to elongate more than I would have liked. I should have got in a little bit sooner, but never mind. It can't be everywhere all at once, no matter how hard you try. I'm going to lie down, eh, Coopsy? Don't blame you, mate. And keep all my mess together. And all these can go in the compost later. So I'm just trimming everything back to one or two leaves, just to try and keep it a bit bushy and compact. I'll speed this up so as not to bore you too much. Okay, so that's most of it done. A couple of pieces I want to concentrate on in a little more detail. So let's move the camera in. First thing is this front tree here, which I cut right back and was trying to develop the trunk a little more, and it's doing nicely. I think that could do with, I don't think I want those low branches there, so let's remove those. Or do I? Actually, I think I might want that one. I'm going to leave it on, and I might even wire it down. I'm going to make a decision later about that. There's a lot of straight piece, so I'm going to cut it back to there, let it grow again, and then finally I want to look at this, a jumbled apex on this tree. Got a lot going on all at once. Firstly, I think I want to shorten this tree at the back here, so I'm going to take that out to this new leader, and then I've more or less got three pieces coming from here. I said pieces dead actually, so it's only two pieces. Cut that back, and then I'm actually going to wire those down. Grab a piece of wire. Again, I've said it so often, don't look to me for your wiring guides or wiring tips. My wiring is brutal and functional at best. It gets the job done. Mostly I remember to take it off before it cuts in too deeply, but not always. Okay, so that one's going to fill in that little bit, and this one's going to fill in that little bit. Yeah, okay. You can see where it gets me white poplar. When the wind blows on these trees, and they just glow white in the sunshine, as the undersides of the leaves are so white. Okay, so I just want to tidy this up a little bit. I've got a bunch of shoots all coming from one place. Okay, better. Not entirely sure about this now that I stand back and look some more. It's fine, Goopadoo. I'm not sure I need this piece. Definitely need this piece. In fact, I'm gonna snip that without moving the wire. Yeah, no, that's better because now I can see that tree better. Okay, so not sure if I explained myself fully at the beginning of this video, but these trees, if memory serves, it was 3 pieces. This little twin trunk piece and this little twin trunk piece and this single piece that I wired together in the pot originally after collecting them, and to make this 5 trunk little grouping, which I'm really quite pleased with. They're pretty much fused together at the base now, and I'm hoping to expose a little bit more of the Nibari at the next repot. We'll pop the can in for scale and give you a quick 360. Really quite pleased with how this tree is developing. I think of it as one tree rather than 5 separate trees now, and yeah, I'm really quite happy with the direction it's going in. Before I end this video, I'll just give you a quick follow-up on this other one of the collected group that went into this pot, into a bonsai pot for the very first time this spring. Hasn't reacted quite as well as I would have liked, but it's getting there slowly. I'm just going to again give it a little bit of a trim back, some of these shoots. It's starting to form some branching, which is nice. And yeah, it's got a long way to go, but it has got something, I think. It just needs the branching in there to make this into a 3-dimensional tree. All I can do is keep pinching it back, feed it well. Hopefully some more branches might pop. We shall see. I'll just say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Do all the usual YouTube things, the liking, the subscribing, comment below, but most of all, please, 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 stay safe everybody.